morning in Trendez news report. Israel targets Hezbollah leader in high-stakes airstrikes near Beirut. Join me as I dive into the recent tensions in the Middle East and try to make sense of Netanyahu's declaration that Israel is winning amidst the strikes on Hezbollah. In a significant military operation, Israeli warplanes targeted and flattened multiple residential buildings in southern Beirut, reportedly in an attempt to eliminate Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah. The airstrike followed intelligence suggesting Nasrallah was meeting with top commanders in an underground bunker within the area. Israeli officials, who requested anonymity, confirmed the attack but noted that Nasrallah's fate remains uncertain.
Israeli intelligence sources believe that Nasrallah may have been killed in the attack, though further confirmation is awaited. In response, Israel conducted additional airstrikes early Saturday, warning civilians to evacuate before targeting more buildings believed to contain weapons. The death of Nasrallah would mark a major escalation in the already volatile conflict between Israel and Hezbollah, heightening fears of a broader regional war, particularly involving Iran, a key supporter of Hezbollah. Israel's strikes came shortly after Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu delivered a defiant speech at the United Nations General Assembly, asserting Israel's commitment to defeating both Hamas in Gaza and Hezbollah in Lebanon. He described Hezbollah as a terror army threatening Israel's northern border. Meanwhile, Lebanon's health ministry reported at least 6 fatalities and over 90 injuries due to the strikes, with numbers expected to rise as emergency workers continue to search through the rubble. International concerns are mounting, with UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres warning that the region is on the brink of a wider conflict. The White House confirmed President Biden is being briefed on the situation, with potential adjustments to U.S. military presence in the region under consideration. As Hezbollah retaliated with rocket strikes on northern Israeli cities, the stakes continue to rise. Iran, Hezbollah's principal backer, responded sharply, calling the Israeli attack a dangerous provocation. In a statement, Iran's National Security Council declared that Israel has opened the gates of hell, signaling potential Iranian involvement if the conflict escalates further. With the specter of a broader war looming, the international community watches closely, hoping to prevent the Middle East from spiraling into further chaos. Subscribe to our channel for the latest news, in-depth analysis, and real-time updates you can trust. Don't miss out. Be the first to know what's happening around the world.